It's been one of the harshest winters of recent times as far as Kashmir is concerned. We are on the banks of the famous Dal Lake, and around me you can see white carpet of snow. The scenery is absolutely stunning, but the cold is unrelenting. Cold conditions continue, though there has been a slight improvement as far as night temperatures are concerned because of this snowfall, because of the cloud cover. But as soon as the weather improves, intense cold returns. Now, just to give you an idea of the kind of extreme sub-zero temperatures Valley has been witnessing, we are on the banks of Dal Lake. Now, this is a pond, and as we have been saying and showing pictures from across Kashmir, how water bodies have frozen. Even the Dal Lake was partially frozen, but as far as small water bodies are concerned, they are absolutely frozen. Now, this is a pond, and it looks more like an ice skating ring. Now, just to show you the kind of ice formation, now look at that. This is almost, I should say, 1.5 inches thick sheet of ice that has enveloped this pond, and these are the scenes in almost all such water bodies across the Kashmir Valley. So this tells you that this is a kind of an ice age that Kashmir is going through, one of the harshest winters of recent times. And there you go. I mean, right in the middle, the ice is even thicker. And when you throw this on this, it seems as if it's glass that is getting broken. So this is the kind of cold that Kashmir is witnessing this winter. And though there has been snowfall, and around me, it's stunning. These are stunning visuals, very beautiful. Today also there was light snowfall. But in spite of that, in spite of the fact that temperatures improve, come to around zero, settle around zero when there is snowfall, still the cold wave, as soon as the sky is clear, is back. So intense cold, and probably for some days there could be relief, as fresh western disturbance will bring heavy snowfall to the Kashmir Valley come 4th and 5th of January. But overall, no respite from these freezing conditions as far as Kashmir is concerned, and snowfall hopefully will improve things, but long-term cold wave is going to persist. With Camperson Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Dal Lake, Srinagar for India Today.